a new day, a new vlog. Welcome back to my channel, Malan JR Vlog. So today's destination is Dhom Dam. I've not gone there. This is the first time I'm going there. Person who suggested me is Nikhil. We two are going today. He's not come. I think he's going to take some time. It's already 6 o'clock or 6:05. Do you notice this? New specs. So I got this from iWearables. You can see properly. It's written iWearables. So I got it for cheap, about I think 1,500, and there was some discount going on when I bought it. It was like buy one, if you buy two, you get the other one with 73% off. And if you want, I don't know if the deal is still on when I upload the video, but do check their website. It's not sponsored or anything. I'm just saying because I like the specs. I wanted the same type of specs, but I never got it anywhere. And you might be noticing this in many other people's vlogs. And beloved friend has come. What's up?
What's up, man?
Okay, so quick battery change and we are off again.
Time update, it's already 7:30 and yeah, kind of behind time. It's not always our fault. I know it's always like it looks like it's our fault, but cars and trucks should notice that we are there. Why is the road so bad? Oi, oi, oi.
You okay? You almost fell. Oh, what happened? Oh, fuck. Oh, let's go. Sorry. Go inside. So what is it? Which one you go? Which side to go then? This side? Oh, let's go.
So apparently, because I was racing, we have missed the exit, which I had to take for Dhom Dam. So now we are heading back to the exit so we can head to Dhom Dam. If we are headed the same way, we would be reaching Kolhapur. I think this is the exit. So I said, let Nikhil lead. So time check, it's about 8 o'clock and we are at Sayadri.
Right turn at 1 km and then full straight.
Okay. We're coming to this route, just be like careful of the potholes, ditches. See, just like I said, so just be careful of that.
How do you go inside? Be careful on the. We'll have to check now. Okay. भैया
उस उस साइड लेक को देखने के लिए कैसे जाएंगे? उधर ऐसे पानी को देखने कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे? हाँ फिर मिल जाएगा रास्ता। फिर पानी के बाद देखना है, बैठना है नीचे। हाँ इधर से जा सकते हैं। हाँ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू। नजदीकी पानी है ना, थैंक यू। आगे से कुछ क्या है? आगे आगे क्या है? हाँ ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू। Local said this is the way to the water. Don't disturb this guy, but there's no person here. Yeah. Off-roading much. Fuck, almost fell. Ah, water's directly here. Can you hear something? Nothing, right? That's the point of this place. Peace, Shanti. Just want to keep this in the video so that you'll understand why we travel. So now Nikhil is checking out like some place for like a tourist spot or destination point. Because we asked a tourist, as you can see, as you have seen the footage before, that this is the closest to the water. Like he said, come here. Look on this side. Found something?
Holy shit!
It's far?
So you gotta go all the way around.
Yeah, he told the same thing. There's only village ahead though, but he said you have to go around if you want to go. Let's go. We have come so far, why not go there?
Okay, let me just look at the road.
It's a straight road, bro. Only there's a right, you can't take left. Shouldn't take
Basically
that.
just follow the lakeside.
Yeah.
I hope you like the time lapse. Time update, it's 10 o'clock. So we'll be heading out from here.
So we are heading out from here now. Thanks for the quiet and enjoyable area.
And I'm finally back home after a long journey. And today's broken part after off-roading. My mud guard has broken because of the off-roading. Nothing else though. We'll be going to the service center to service my entire bike because it's overdue for servicing. Thanks for making it part of your day. Do like and subscribe, and do drop a comment in the comment section. And dream big and do work for it. Bye.
Yeah, cool. Let's go.